Hello friends, so in this lecture we are going to learn another term which is used to denote the concentration of solute in the solution. So today we are going to learn molality. So molality is denoted by small m in contrast to molarity which we learnt earlier. So molarity is determined by capital M, molality is denoted by small m, while molarity is denoted by capital M. So now we will see the definition of molality. So molality is defined as number of moles of solute present in the solution per kg of the solvent. So molality is defined as number of moles of solute per kilogram per kg of the solvent. So as we have written here, we denote molality by small m. So we can write here small m is equal to where n, or we can here write number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Mass of solvent in kg, or we can write n upon mass of solvent in kg. Okay, so now we take an example, like if we say 225 ml of 225 grams of an aqueous solution has 5 grams of urea. So how can we determine molality of this solution? So we know the mass of solute, which is urea here. So we can, first step is to find number of moles of urea. So number of moles of urea will be n, urea, let us write number of moles of urea. Given mass is 5 grams and molar mass is, urea is NH2CO NH2. So its molar mass is 60 grams. So number of moles of urea will be 5 by 60. So it is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 moles of urea. Now what is the mass of solvent? So total mass of the solution is 225 grams and mass of the solute is 5 grams. So mass of solvent will be 225 minus 5. So it is 220 grams. Now how can we find the molality? So m is equal to number of moles. We have number of moles. Number of moles is 1 by 12 and mass will be 220 mass of solvent in kg. So 220 divided by 1000. So here we will calculate it 1 by 12 into 1000 by 220. So we cancel it here. 50 by, it will be 50 divided by 11, and here 6 and 25. So 25 divided by 66. 25 divided by 11 into 6. So 25 divided by 66. So we can calculate here. 25 divided by 66, decimal here, so 0. So 66 into 3. 1 by 12 divided by, so 4 will go up. Okay. So 198. 52. So again a 0. So 6 36. So it will go by 7, I think here. So 66. 66 into 6 into 7 is 42. So 2, 6 7 are 42 and 4 46. So this comes out to be 558. So it will go by 8. So we have got the answer 0.378. So let us check if the calculation is correct. So it is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 divided by 220. 220 divided by 1000. So 1000 will go up and 220 will come down. So 0 0 will cancel. 50 upon 11 and here 25 upon 6. So 6 into 11 is 66 and here it is 25. So I think the calculation is okay. So 0.378. So this is the answer of molality. So molality of the solution, given solution is 0.378. And okay, so now is the molality temperature dependent? So because mass does not depend on the temperature, number of moles will also not depend on the temperature. So molality is independent of temperature. So molality is independent of temperature. Molality is independent of temperature, while molarity will depend on the temperature because it is number of moles divided by volume. So volume depends on temperature, so molarity will depend on the temperature. Molarity depends upon the temperature. So till now we have seen two concentration terms, molarity and molality. So in subsequent videos we will see some other concentration terms, then we will try to relate some concentration terms. And so in this video, that is all for molality. That's all for molality in this video. Thank you.